Welcome to Pete Jr. Fisherman's channel, where we explore the most exciting and lucrative opportunities to transform your life. Are you tired of the daily grind and dreaming of a life where you call the shots? Imagine earning $1,000 a day without needing a degree. Today, we're diving into 5 high-paying side hustles that can replace your 9-to-5 job. These aren't just any side hustles. They're your ticket to financial freedom and a lifestyle you love. Let's get started. Let's dive into 5 side hustles that can earn you $1,000 daily. 1. Freelance digital marketing. Digital marketing is booming, and businesses are always on the lookout for talented freelancers. You can start by offering services like social media management, SEO, or content creation. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are great places to find clients. For instance, Sarah, a stay-at-home mom, started managing social media accounts and now earns over $1,000 a day. The key is to build a strong portfolio and network with potential clients. Keywords: digital marketing, freelance, social media management. 2. Online tutoring. With the rise of e-learning, online tutoring has become a lucrative side hustle. You don't need a teaching degree to get started. Platforms like VIPKid and Tutor.com connect you with students worldwide. Take John, for example, who teaches English to students in China and makes a comfortable living. The flexibility allows you to set your own hours and rates. Keywords: online tutoring, e-learning, teach English online. 3. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products without holding inventory. You can set up an online store using Shopify and partner with suppliers who ship products directly to customers. Emma, a college dropout, started her dropshipping store and now earns over $1,000 daily. The secret is finding a niche market and using effective marketing strategies. Keywords: dropshipping, Shopify, e-commerce. S4. Stock photography. If you have a knack for photography, selling stock photos can be a profitable side hustle. Websites like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock allow you to upload and sell your photos. Mark, a hobbyist photographer, turned his passion into a full-time income by focusing on high-demand niches like travel and lifestyle. Consistency and quality are key to success. Keywords: stock photography, sell photos online, Shutterstock. 5. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral. You can start by creating a blog or YouTube channel focused on a specific niche. Lisa, a travel enthusiast, shares her adventures and recommends travel gear, earning substantial commissions. Building trust with your audience is crucial for success. Keywords: affiliate marketing, earn commissions, blogging. There you have it, 5 high-paying side hustles that can replace your 9-to-5 job without a degree. Whether you're passionate about teaching, photography, or marketing, there's a side hustle for you. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with dedication and the right strategies, you can achieve financial freedom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more life-changing content. Until next time, keep hustling and dreaming big.